Denton vacuum EV502A. The A stands for automatic pump down. I'm not going to go into the pump down process right away. I'd like to just show you a few things. Here's your whole pump down control over here. You can see where your different valves, your on off to turn the system on, your mechanical pump switch, and your cryo pump switch. Over here we have your filament current. You can turn up, you got a manual and automatic. It's got to be switched from underneath, but you can go ahead and turn this up and turn it on here. But right now we have an automatic for the Infocon deposition controller. Over here you have rotation control to your planetaries up top, on off. And here's your gauge system that will read your pressures in here. This is set for 4-line, chamber, and cryo. It has chamber on right now, which is down to 0. And over here this is set to chamber, and you can see you're around 3 in the 7 range. Up here you have your deposition controller. This is your main thing it's going to tell you, and it's going to be able to control the controls for the thermo heat. This is one thing I'm going to show you how it works right now. With everything going right now, we're going to get it all set up and hit start. When I got this to start right now, it's going to a rise time of 20 seconds, and it's going to ramp it up to about 10% power. And it's going to do that in 20 seconds. Now what it's doing right here is it's just going to sit at 10% power for 20 seconds again. And what that's doing right now is you're warming up your boat for so you don't have to have your material in your boat explode and boil over. You want to bring it up to a slow rise. Now there's 2 soak times. Now we're going to another rise time too, where it's going to be 22% power, or 20% power, I forget how I said it, 20%. And that took 20 seconds. And now what's happened is now it's going to pause it. If you look in here, you can see it's starting to glow in there. You can see the boat getting up and heating up. And if you look over here, you're going to look at your angstroms, and you can see that this is going to be controlling this. And it's going to bring it up to, I believe, 2 angstroms a second. I could have probably set the times a little better to make it rise and heat up the boat a little better. But as you'll see, as the time goes on, it will stabilize at 2 angstroms a second. I got the process set for 300 angstroms, and you can see it's pretty much at 1.8. It will get up a little bit higher right at 2. Those are adjustments you're going to have to make, and it will tell you the type of material you're going to use to deposit with. But as you can see, the whole deviation here is showing you how fast it's responding to it. See, it got tighter and tighter. And you can see it's right at 2 angstroms a second. And we're going to go to 300. And down here you can see you're still in the 7 range while we're evaporating. And over here you can see your current meter now. Over here, it's about 250 amps. The 2 different types of boats I have here is this is what we're using right now. So it takes a lot to heat up. And the other boat I have on the other side is just a little filament one. This is the one that's right now where it has a high amperage, and I have just a small aluminum pellet in there like this. As you can see, it's pretty much steady. It hit 300, it shut off. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the automatic pump down side, and we're going to go ahead and hit auto vent. And you'll see by here, you're going to see that it's going to open up the vent right now. if you look at the windows here, you're going to see that we coated. You can see that there's a little bit of a reflection like a mirror on there, and that's the aluminum we coated with.